old technology. Look at this. This was advanced one time. It's not anymore, especially not compared to the Game Boy Advance. SP, because the old Game Boy Advance had like the worst screen ever. Let's turn this on. Oh wow, I can like almost see it. Old, outdated. I would not like a product to be released nowadays like this. Still a pretty neat thing to go back to. I love my old Game Boy Color. Well, this technically isn't mine, actually. This is actually my grandma. She gave it to me because I would always play it when I went over there. Thanks a lot, Grandma. Speaking of old technology, what can be older than this old bugger right here? Cassette tapes. Oh man, this is like ancient. I bet you it's made out of like dinosaurs and stuff. Absolutely love cassette tapes. It's just a neat old technology. Easy to record on. Nice to listen to. All the 9 yards. But listening to cassette tapes now is a little hard. Yeah, sure, you can buy modern stuff like this Jensen cassette player that looks absolutely ugly. And it gets the job done and all, but we need high quality here. And I know one company that's high quality is basically its middle name. Sony. Look at this. Oh, it's so handsome. Unlike this big thing, I think it's even... well, it's a little bit bigger, actually. And it only has one audio jack, but the fact that it has any at all is impressive. Look at this thing. Google Pixel 6. Fingerprint scanner. One of the best cameras of all time. Even better than my webcam I'm recording this on right now. No headphone jack. So yeah, going back on topic, this is a pretty neat device. It doesn't have a button to open the door, but has an FM/AM radio, auto reverse, meaning when you get to the end of the cassette tape, you don't even have to flip it. Stop button, fast forward, and rewind, and you can even change the direction on the fly. And that switch, I don't know what that's for. And belt clip, so you can attach it to your belt. This is a pretty neat thing. What's the catch? Well, if I steal the batteries from here. Oh, I took them out. So yeah, let's press play. I don't think you can hear that. Let me bring the mic closer. So yeah, clearly broken. Easy fix though, especially since it's a Sony. Very easy to fix Sony products. That's why Sony is so popular. So yeah, we're gonna open this up and replace the belt. Hopefully that's all we will need to do. Keyword hopefully. I did fix a boombox recently and had to replace 2 belts. Oh, but how would you know that if you got the belts or not? Mate, I bought a 50 pack. If I don't got the belt, then it's clearly a problem with the eBay sale. So yeah, let's open this up. As you can tell, no screws. Kind of sad. But it does seem to still be pretty easy to open, right? It looks like from this picture, it wants me to remove it from this side. Let me remove the belt clip. Okay, so just get this in between there. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Yes. I'm worried I'm gonna like cut myself. There were no videos of this. This is like a weird Walkman. It's like unknown almost. It's almost like I shouldn't have found it, but I did. Let's get something thinner now. Oh, box cutty here. The box cutter is actually working a little better because it's so thin, but that also means I'm more at risk to cut myself. Oh! Yes! Oh! Yes! Is coming off. Ooh! Come on! Oh yeah, undress like that for me, pretty girl. Oh, why I say that so creepily? Yes! Oh yeah, that's definitely an old belt right there. Let's just remove that. Alright, so we need to figure out the belt. Luckily, it has not turned into complete mush, so we're good on that. That's a little too big. Too small. Oh. I think we might have found the winner, guys. Okay, like that. And then that. That might work. We might have something there. Oh, wait. I'm seeing a little movement on that one. That's a good sign. Be good. Hopefully. Just works as is. Snap it back together. And to test it, I have this cassette tape. I recorded the Namco Museum Volume 1 and Pac-Man theme onto. So, we're gonna just see how that works. I put the aux cable. I have a speaker right here. Now, we shall see. Oh, I hear it. We have fixed the boy. Oh, first I should test out these stink phones. Oh, this came with it. It's not gold plated. That's good. These look so bad, but they're Walkman headphones. Oh, broke. I won't be using these, but like, oh, that's kind of sad. They're broken. They barely fit on my head. I forgot to put back in a cassette tape. Punk Jams Volume 1 going back in. What a surprise. They're bad. I mean, they look nice. They look like Walkman headphones, but like, yeah, those are... I'm never using these. Yeah. Oh, I love this already. I'll make sure to make an update video on this and let you all know what I think, how much I love it, and yeah. And I'll probably make a video comparing it to this thing soon. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed this video and what I can do to improve it. Yeah. Bye.